Okay, so we got some more stuff this week. And last week, actually, we haven't made a video on that yet. Well, we've made a video, but Brian...
making this video too long.
Brian hasn't uploaded it yet.
I already took it today.
Yeah, no. Yeah. You always whine about how you make the videos too long, you have to redo them a billion times.
No. It's not that I make them long.
It doesn't matter.
I had 3 separate videos, none of which would make sense that is trying to edit.
Maybe you should let me make them. Now, so first we have a Compaq Presario SR1610NX. That's the name of the computer, which is odd. But it has a AMD Sempron 3200 Plus, which is a 1.8 GHz, 256 megabytes of DDR2 RAM.
Yeah, it's CDR 400.
Oh, CDR, never mind. 80 gig IDE hard drive, and of course like a DVD drive and stuff. It had Windows XP on it, but it doesn't sell for much. I think what I'm going to do with it is simply go ahead and wipe the hard drive, use the hard drive for something else, and kind of let the computer sit by itself. Because I don't know. I don't know if I want to sell it or not.
Don't worry about it too much. We're going to sell it by itself, okay? It's not going to go...
Yeah,
unless
sure,
we
whatever.
sell the parts with more.
But it needs more RAM in it.
You forgot to say that it has PCI Express.
Yeah, but it doesn't have a graphics card in it, though. So next up is a Dell monitor TV thing. It's kind of really widescreenish.
What's the model of this?
I have no idea. But
That's what I'm looking for.
so it's got like VGA
model
input.
number W1700.
Okay, so it's got VGA and DVI input, and then you got all your video inputs on the side right there. I guess I'm no video input.
That's all the composites. So it's got 16-volt power supply. I managed to find one from my I didn't think pen I had.
But the problem is the screen doesn't light up or anything.
Yeah, it's probably a matter of burst capacitor or something like that. I can fix it once I get this table cleaned up.
Hook up to a computer and see if it works. Have you tried that? Oh, okay, never mind.
Yep.
Yeah, so we work on that. We also got a monitor here. It's identical to this one, but I put it over here because funny thing is, we had a well, it's one of these like 15-inch Dell monitors. We have a ton of them, but the funny thing is, the Dell monitors, little known fact, when you have it on dual monitor setup, it interferes with the radios that are close. I had a radio to communicate with the house, right near that speaker over there. And the other one, which is currently right over there, I showed that to you. It's right there. Whenever it would be on, hooked up as a dual monitor, it would, or a secondary monitor rather, it would create static with the radio. When I put the one we got today on it, it still did. So I just moved the radio over there.
Come over here. I'll just show you this laptop.
Oh, and we got this small keyboard thing. Small not because it's small physically, it's small because it's not really much of anything. And stereo stuff. We got the stereo stuff today, or whatever it is, right?
No, that's me.
Okay, whatever. I also got this power supply thing. I don't really know what it is, but
I'm not shaking the camera too much.
I don't do it as much as you do. It's fine. Magnavox, whatever the heck that is. It's like a 9-volt, 2.2 amp.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
and we got this hard drive. This hard drive is enormous. Okay, Brian, look, you don't have to stick your hands over everything, okay? I got this.
Did I reach for it? No.
Yes, you were going to. You were clearly going to. Okay, well, yep, there we go.
Okay.
So it looks enormous, and it was most likely a beastly hard drive for one day. It was inside a Compaq, I think. Oh, here it is. I had one of these before. It's a Compaq Presario. It has like a Celeron in it.
We're getting moving.
Yeah, I didn't even bother really starting up or anything. And it's weird because this the casing is all one part, and then the interior pulls out the back of the casing, which I figured out the first Presario we got, so I ended up ripping tons of metal and stuff.
This thing's a Bigfoot TS. It's a 12 gigabyte. This thing must have been very expensive.
Might be able to sell it for $5 or $10 maybe.
Disregardable.
Here, let me hold this stuff because I can actually point it at it rather than flipping the camera all over the place, not being able to see anything.
I think DVD players.
Hold on. This is data storage model GCE8483B. August 2003. Whatever. A portable DVD player. We got 2 of these, didn't we? Yeah.
This is the other one.
Okay,
Pathetic.
I whine about this a million times in each video, but I really, like, I can't even touch it because from my arm span here, you can barely see it in the frame. It's kind of annoying.
Ooh.
Anyways, yeah.
You're obsessed, Brain. You're obsessed with my airsoft gun. Anyway, so yeah, it looks kind of crappy-ish. Yeah. Might be able to sell for something. Have you looked these up yet?
Nope.
Oh yeah, I'll do that soon. This
Alright,
this one's basically the same exact thing, except
Come on.
it's
Let's
bigger.
get started over here. Computer. How long's that video so far?
540.
This thing over here is very interesting.
Okay, I gotta stand really far back so you can actually see the thing.
If you were to
Really
look
far back.
Wow. If you were to look at the keys, you'd notice that they've got not only English but also Russian on them. I don't really want to do too much of this thing because the monitor hinge is kind of broken and you need pliers to move it. So, the hell?
And it works and stuff. What's it got in it?
Oh, it originally had a Pentium Celeron M thing. It was like a 1.5 gigahertz, but I took out the I took that out and put in the Pentium M 1.6 gigahertz, which is better. Windows Home Edition Russian. So it's got some Russian crap.
You just offended Russian people.
And
Congratulations.
256 megs of GDR2 RAM. I could upgrade that if I really wanted to.
Freaking bugs are all over the damn place.
I took this entire thing apart. I just cleaned
see it,
cleaned out the heatsink and upgraded the processor.
Yes, great.
And got a screw out here that
Great,
was rolling
Brian.
around.
We also got a Compaq. No, a ThinkPad R40.
It's not an R40. It's a 6.
No, you. I'm speaking without thinking. Yes, it's an R. Wait, what is it? I don't know. It's a.
600X.
Okay, so yeah, so it's got like a Pentium 3, like what in megahertz?
I don't know. I haven't checked it out yet.
Yeah, so it says it's built for Windows 98.
What?
So
Is that right?
yes, okay. Wow, I'm seeing a lot from this angle.
I'm trying to get the BIOS.
Ooh. M1911.
So it has this error thing, and it's like error, but that's okay. I can fix
Error.
it. And then, even if you hit OK, and the CMOS battery's dead, that's why it's doing that. Hold on. I had this issue with an other Pentium 3 laptop I had. By the way, we had a ThinkPad 600E. This is 600X. The 600E was a Pentium 2. What does that mean? On, arrow, no, off, arrow, on. You hit the power button.
Makes no sense.
You flip the power button and hold on. It shuts off.
Okay, great. Beautiful. Anyway, so now we got some stuff over here. By the way, our neighbors are giving like some fridges, so we got a mini fridge here with a some lemonade in it. It seems to cool things down pretty well. It's one of those things where it has a small freezer on the top there, and a freezer. But we don't really need a freezer hooked up because it'd be a waste of power, and we don't really have anywhere to stick it anyway. Because we could put that one on top of this one. The problem is, it wouldn't fit under that cabinet, which you can't even see from the poor lighting.
If you're watching this video,
Jeez, I can't even see that.
would you say it'd be a better idea for us to buy a $1,500 iMac
No, don't even ask.
or a $1,500 custom?
Don't even ask. They're all Mac haters anyway. It doesn't make any difference. So we got some cords. These were inside the house.
Once you go Mac,
They were
then
in.
go back.
Okay, no, they were in the garage, and yeah, my brother said they were in the garage. So we have a audio video cable. You know what? This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. I mean, I can see these things fine, but you can't see the video. So anyway, some audio video cable thing. One thing says audio, the other says video. I have no idea what it is. This thing looks like an airsoft battery charger. The thing is, the voltage is too low to be one.
No, the voltage for one is 4.8 volts, but the
I don't know what that is.
The actual output, it
Super
says
cover.
they don't match. The actual stuff says it's 6 volts.
Okay, this is some dial-up card. No, not dial-up card. What am I talking about? Dial-up card. Wow. Sounds a lot like a telephone cable, doesn't it? Okay. This is another circular cord. I don't even know what it is. And we also got some Cat 5 cable, some Ethernet cable, to be more exact. That could come in handy. And some really, really big coil of more Ethernet cable with a USB A to B hookup in here, which we have like millions of. We don't need any more of them. That's it for that. Okay. I'm trying to think of more things to be said. 11:24. Oh, we're still trying to figure out what to do with this thing. But Brian, we include this in one of our videos, right? It's like small.
Yeah, that was the last video I made. Took today.
Okay. Wait, you took it today?
Yep.
You haven't uploaded that yet?
Nope.
Oh my god! It's the 11th today.
I know. We got it on the 4th.
Wow. So anyway, you'll see it in the other video. It's going to be posted before this.
We don't have that much time in our hands. We don't spend all our time working to get your stuff.
Yeah, you're right, but it's an e-machines of some sort. It's like it kind of looks like an iMac, except like an earlier version. It's really basically, to make a long story short, or rather a long list of specifications short. It's kind of crap. It's like a Pentium 3 or something to that equivalent. So
850 megahertz, give or take about 20 megahertz.
yeah, Windows Millennium Edition. That's 2000. It could sell for like 30.
Why are you
bucks.
mentioning this? I already mentioned it.
I don't know, but well, I'm saying how it could sell, but we don't have a power supply for it, so yeah. But what more deserves to be said? I think I say that phrase in every single video of ours, but you know, I'm also trying to do some reorganizing.
Always when I take a video
Because
and then I go to edit and I realize I forgot to
I had the keyboards not in there, but down here in that box right down there. They couldn't all fit. The box is empty right now, so I took them all out and stuck them up here. We got tons of keyboards. Well, today we got a Dell consumer keyboard. It looks like the average Dell consumer keyboard. It's a small keyboard thing. So we got like tons of keyboards here, probably like 10 or 15 of them. Anyway, I think that's all for now, my children. Not to be creepy, but you know, it was a weird thing to say. So it's like, what time is it, Brian?
11:53.
Yeah, I'm going to bed now because I'm getting tired. So goodbye.